friends, today I am going to tell you about PCOD, polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome. So PCOD is a hormonal disorder. So what causes it? Number one, genetic. It can be genetic. Second is your lifestyle. If your lifestyle is not good, it can lead to various diseases, and PCOD is one of it. So your diet should be healthy. It should not contain processed food, junk food, food that is high in salt, fat, food that is rich in proteins. Try to sleep early in the night and wake up early in the morning. There are many other factors also. I will make a different video for the healthy lifestyle. And obesity is also the one of the common cause of PCOD, or it can be a vice versa. PCOD can lead to obesity and obesity can lead to PCOD. What are the symptoms? What are the complaints of the females? Mainly they complain of menstrual abnormalities कि period time से नहीं आता, delayed होता है. It can be delayed, it can be prolonged, or it can be absent. So the question is, जिसको menstruation regular है, जिनके menses regular है, क्या उनको PCOD नहीं होता? जिनके periods regular हैं उनमें like spotting होती है, proper flow नहीं होता, तो उनमें चांसेस हैं कि इरेगुलर ओव्यूलेशन हो रहा हो. रेगुलर पीरियड्स डज नॉट एक्सक्लूड PCOD as there can be chances of irregular ovulation. And most common complaint is infertility. Females comes to know when they are not able to conceive the baby. So these are the most common complaint. Other complaints are acne, thinning of hairs, hair fall, abdominal pain. There you can see facial growth of hairs. There, in medical term we say it Hirsuitism. Excess hair growth is also seen on face, chest and on stomach. Plus excess fat in their abdominal area. Females are obese. PCOD also affect the emotional status of the female. In mood swings, they are lethargic, fatigue, there can be sleep apnea. And if PCOD is not treated timely, it can lead to metabolic complications like heart disease, hyperlipidemia, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, fatty liver, and endometrial cancer. We will diagnose it. We will go definitely for ultrasound or sonographic findings. Second, we will do blood test. So how can we treat it? Lifestyle modification is one of the most important factor one should focus on. Try to control your weight, do proper exercise. Main focus on your weight reduction. No processed food, no white sugar. Cut your calories. Try to burn out more fat, more calories. Eat green vegetables, fruits. Try to do some meditation, relaxation exercises you do. Try to be happy. There are various other treatment modalities also, like medical treatment. Medical treatment we go for oral contraceptives, as in PCOD there is insulin resistance and an ovulation is there. Ovulation nahi hota. So we go for ovarian stimulants like clomiphene citrate or metformin also in India. And we will give symptomatic treatment for the patient. There are surgical modalities also, like start taking care of yourself, not of only outside appearance but also of your inner side. Be happy, be positive, and be free from diseases. Thank you for your valuable time.